Hi, this is Ben with WTI, and I am loving my Columbia Men's Whiteout Omni-Heat Puffer Vest. Let me tell you why. First off, notice how thin it is. It packs really tight, and it's puffer vest without having the bulk. Second, it's got the Omni-Heat, which has this kind of like a metallic reflective material that's supposed to radiate your heat back to you. I love that it zips up nice and tight so you can cover your chin and your neck. And at the same time, it also goes down far enough to cover your butt. And it has a little cinch line here that'll keep it nice and tight to go with some zippered pockets to keep everything safe. I used this on a recent trip to Iceland and it worked perfectly. It looked great, it was comfortable enough for all the activity I was doing, but still kept my core warm. So if you're looking for a vest that's going to allow you to have the breathability for outdoor activities in the cold while still keeping your chest and your core warm and protected, the Columbia Men's Whiteout Omni-Heat Puffer Vest is a great solution. And that's my point of view.